had to take a break from my projects and start working on my garden here. It's a winter plant. Well, I'm planting my cold season stuff. My potatoes, onions. I planted some spinach. I'm going to put some cilantro and some radishes in, and probably some lettuce. And this is my wood chip garden. Now wood chips, they kind of help with weeds, but you're going to get a lot of weeds in it. And my friends down there at Ava, Missouri, that Traditional Homestead, Kevin and Sarah, they use that weed mat, and that's probably a pretty good thing. I'm thinking about trying that, but I'm not going to quit my wood chip. If anything, I'll put the wood chips down and then use the mat on top of that, because the wood chips really add a lot to your soil, and that's the best way to build your soil fast. Come over here and look at this soil. Look how black and crumbly that is. And there's worms everywhere in this stuff. I mean, just look at that. I mean, you can clump it together a little bit, but it just breaks right back apart. And I mean, it's just wonderful stuff. I put azomite on it, and I'll probably take some chicken compost and put on it. You know, some of the stuff that's broken down, that's aged for quite a while. You take a look at my chickens over here. I put wood chips in there too, and they get a lot of worms, and it breaks down, and then you got a lot of good stuff to throw on your garden later. I'll show you what my soil looked like before I started. This is just a few feet away, and this is topsoil. Here's what my topsoil looks like. It's just clay-like stuff that, I mean, it's just like clay. I'd say you could probably build a cob house out of that stuff. I mean, it gets dry and hard. Also, I like to put, if you really want to build your soil fast, throw some straw down. You know, throw like, good thick layer of straw, about like that, and then throw about that much wood chips on top, and let that compost down. Even if you don't plant in it this year, that's a good way to start a garden. Just let it compost and never till it. When you till it, it's like taking all your microorganisms. It's like, just like fish in your pond. It's like taking your fish and throwing them up on the bank and letting them dry out. That's what happens to your microorganisms when you till that soil a lot. I'm not saying I don't till. Every once in a while I'll till it up, but for the most part I just let it set, and it stays. You know, you can hoe it, and it's just great stuff for growing. Well, I think that's about all I got for today. Just don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and God bless. Hey, I just wanted to give a quick minute to give you a teaser on an upcoming project I got. You've seen my canoe in my other video, but I'm going to be replacing these rotten wooden ribs I got with PVC ribs. I'm going to be putting them about that far apart. I melt my, I think it's 1-inch PVC. I melt it down and make it flat. And then I put it on the canoe and I heat it up and bend it to get in there. And I'll be putting them about that far apart, all up and down the canoe. And I think they'll make it rigid enough so, you know, you'll have a little flex and give, but it's going to hold its shape good, and it's going to be solid. Along with that, and the PVC pipe I got running along the edge. So just stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, or you might miss it. But we'll be working on that project plus a lot more, so stay tuned. Have a good day and God bless.